Dear friends, today let us discuss about 22 stocks including Anand Rathi, PNB Glitz, Tata Power, etc. Those have announced the bonus or stock split or dividend. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. The first stock is Axita Cotton Limited. Current market price is rupees 22.7. Company announced a board meeting on 23rd April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. KP Energy Limited. Share is trading around rupees 372. Company announced a board meeting on 22nd April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q4. GM Breweries Limited. Current market price is rupees 748 per share. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:4 and dividend rupees 7. That means if you have 40 shares of GM Breweries, you will get 40 into 7, 280 rupees as dividend, and you will get 10 shares as bonus. So you will have 50 shares and 280 rupees as dividend. Both the ex-dividend date and record date is not at all finalized. Yug Decor Limited. Share is trading around rupees 53 per share. Company announced rights issue at the ratio 1:2 at rupees 10. That means if you have 2 shares of Yug Decor, you can apply for 1 share at the rate rupees 10 per share. Record date is 19th April 2024. Issue period is 7th May to 28th May 2024. Issue size of Yug Decor Limited share is 35,96,423. Maharashtra Scooters. Current market price is rupees 7,529. Company announced a board meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is recommending dividend and announcing Q4. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited. Current market price is rupees 4,170 per share. Company announced a buyback shares at rupees 4,450 per share. Record date is not at all finalized. CIE Automotive India Limited. Current market price is rupees 484 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Both the record date and ex-dividend date is not at all finalized. Bhagirath Chemicals. Current price is 1,895 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 10 shares of Bhagirath Chemicals, your 10 shares convert to 100 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. PNB Glitz. Current price is 107. This company also announced a board meeting on 29th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing annual results. Rajarathan Global Wire Limited. Share is trading around rupees 664 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 22nd April 2024. Purpose is same, dividend and Q4. Bharat Bijli Limited. Current price is rupees 6,769. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 10 shares of Bharat Bijli, your 10 shares convert to 20 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 24th April 2024. Tata Power Company. Current market price is rupees 428 per share. Company announced a meeting on 8th May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is recommending dividend and announcing Q4. Samvardhana Motherson International Limited, formerly known as Motherson Sumi. Current market price is 128. Company announced a board meeting on 16th May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is recommending dividend and announcing Q4. Equitas Small Finance Bank. Current market price is Rs 98. Company announced a meeting on 24th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is recommending dividend and announcing Q4. GHCL. Current price is Rs 505. Company announced a meeting on 6th May 2024. Purpose of the meeting is recommending dividend and announcing Q4. Epigral Limited. Current market price is Rs 1320 per share. Company announced a meeting on 22nd April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is recommending dividend and announcing Q4. ViewNow Infratech. Current price is Rs 15.5. This penny stock company announced a dividend of T paise per each and every share. Ex-date and record date is 23rd April 2024. To get the dividend of ViewNow Infratech, you have to purchase the shares of ViewNow Infratech before 23rd April 2024. Vertos Advertising Limited. Current market price is Rs 810. Company announced bonus and stock split, but the record date and ex-bonus date is not at all finalized. If the company finalizes the ex-bonus date and record date, definitely we will inform you through this channel. Elendas Beck India Limited. Share is trading around Rs 9,800. Company announced a dividend of Rs 5 per share. Ex-bonus date is 30th April 2024. Record date is 1st May 2024. Visco Trade Associates Limited. Current price is 285. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Visco Trade Associates, your 10 shares